Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be doing some Jamaican Escovitch fish. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you have, continue to share, like, and comment. I'm gonna start with our parrot fish. I like to take a knife and just go over the fish once again, even though it came scaled and gutted. Cut a lime in half. Use that to clean our fish. You can use vinegar. Once that is done, grab our scissors and we're gonna use that and cut the spine of the fish, the fins, and the tail. Remove all those extra spiky parts. You can leave it on if you choose. Then we're going to pat our fish dry, a paper napkin or towel. Then we're going to use a knife to slice the flesh of the fish. Now this just helps to get the seasoning more in the fish. So once you slice that, now we're going to season our fish. I got some all-purpose seasoning, some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Gonna season both sides inside the fish. Be generous with the seasoning because once you put it in the oil, some of it is gonna fall off. So once you're done seasoning your fish, just set that aside, and then we're gonna start on our vegetables for the escovitch sauce. Just peel the carrots, cut it on the bias, and then we're gonna cut those into thin strips. Gonna drill in our carrot. So just stack those into a pile of 4 and just slice those. Same with the onion. Peel an onion. We're gonna cut those into some thin strips as well. Same with the pepper. I like to add my peppers for color. Grab your Scotch bonnet pepper as well. Habanero. I'm using 1 and I keep the seed in for the extra heat. If you want to use more, go ahead. Now grab a pot with oil. Add some garlic to it. 2 cloves of garlic. Once your garlic starts to sizzle and turn brown, you know your oil is ready. Remove your garlic. Add your fish to the pot, to the hot oil. Gonna fry in both sides until crispy or golden brown. I like to fry my fish a bit extra, get it extra dry and well crispy. Once that is done, remove the fish. Grab a different pot, add some water, vinegar, pimento seed, fresh thyme leaf, and bay leaf is optional. Bring that pot to a boil with the veggies that you cut earlier. Add your carrot, your onions, give that a quick stir. Add your hot pepper to it, give that a stir again. Add your peppers, your bell peppers to it for color. Once you add that, turn the heat off, cover, and remove. Grab your fish, pour the veggies over it, and then just take your spoon and ladle some of that sauce over it. And there you go, guys. Jamaican Escovitch fish. Once you're done, the excess sauce that you have, just put that in a container, seal it airtight, and that can last you up to weeks on the kitchen counter or months on the refrigeration. So just pack that tightly in a jar or any container that you can seal airtight. Pour that liquid over it and just cover. And there you go, guys. Jamaican Escovitch sauce with Escovitch fish. Thanks for watching.